Good morning, students. Let us study today about cell, its structure and functions. Subtopic: are cells flat and where do cells come from? So in the previous classes we have already studied what is cell, how it appears, what is the structure of the cell, what are the different cell organelles present inside the cell, what are the different cell organelles which are present inside the cell, and what is the difference between plant cell and animal cell. And then today we will see how the cells appear under microscope and are they really flat in structure? Do they have length and breadth only, or other than that do they have anything else? Okay. Now if you take a slide and if you observe cells, so under the microscope you are seeing the cells in this manner. So cells appear with nucleus. So nucleus is present at the center of the cell. So under microscope you are viewing like this. So the microscopic observation shows the length and breadth. That means this is the length of the cell and this is the breadth of the cell. So only length and breadth are present for the cell. This is in one plane you are seeing. Breadth also generally you don't see under microscope. You will see how the cells appear under microscope. Okay, like this cells are present. So it will give you the 2D picture, two-dimensional picture. That means length and breadth. Two-dimensional view you are seeing under microscope. Because cells will appear as flat. And you will see that all of them are cell organelles like nucleus, center nucleus and other organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes. You are seeing all of them inside the cell. So this is the 2D view what you are seeing. Just cells are present inside a cell, organelles are present inside a cell. This view you are seeing. But when it comes to the reality, the cell organelles which are present inside the cell are having the 3D view. That means 3-dimensional view, not the 2-dimensional view. So the 3D view, 3-dimensional view is present for a cell. So cells appear flat, but the 3D view of a cell, you will find it will have length, breadth and thickness. So under microscope you are not seeing the thickness, but the cell is having length, breadth and also thickness. And thus you say that thickness of the cells is under the microscope is not easy to observe, because you cannot see the thickness of a cell under the microscope. So we are seeing the cells like this, length and breadth, but not the thickness. So how do you see the thickness? If I take so this is a fruit which I have cut, and can you see the seeds inside? 3-dimensional view. So under microscope you are just seeing like this, but inside also the thickness of the cell you can observe. This is one example I am giving with a fruit. So a fruit, if you consider it, if you cut it and see how it appears, the seeds are inside, how they are placed. In the same manner, inside the cell, you can see the 3-dimensional view. So this is the center nucleus. So the centrally placed nucleus and other cell organelles are present inside. But under microscope you are seeing the cell like this. That means just you are seeing it as a flat structure. But really a cell is having length, breadth and also thickness. This is the 3-dimensional view and this is the 2-dimensional view. So if I say x-axis, in maths you have studied, and this is y-axis. So under microscope you are seeing only x-axis and y-axis, whereas under the in reality you will see x-axis, y-axis and also z-axis for a cell. So cell is having 3 dimensions, 1, 2, 3 dimensions, whereas In under microscope, cell is having only two dimensions, x-axis view and y-axis view. Okay.